Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, we're talking about the Weber again, the Weber smoke fire, the Weber wedge. Folks, it was 8 days ago when I made a video and said, the Weber smoke fire, what should Weber do? And one of the things I offered was obviously my help because I want to help them. I think there's real potential with this pellet grill. And one of the things I offered to help with the hopper that the pellets don't slide down would be the installation of a Weber wedge. I offered it to them. I said, this is the prototype. Here it is, Weber. I got it for you. I'll give it to you. No charge. And I haven't heard nothing from Weber. It's a little disappointing because I really, I really do want to help them. But I'll tell you what, let's take a look at something that just happened today. All right, folks. So, like I said, this just showed up on my feed like 5 minutes ago, and it's from Weber, and it's talking about a hopper insert instruction. Hopper insert? You mean the Weber wedge? No. So let's. There's no talking. I've watched this once, so we're gonna watch it together here. There's no talking in this, and they've not allowing comments on this. So can you imagine the comments? Oh my gosh. But anyway, let's take a look. Remove all pellets from the hopper before beginning. Place the cloth inside the hopper chute. This will help screws from falling through. That's good advice. Good. That's engineering right there. That's a nice job, Weber. Appreciate that. So they remove the screw in the bottom right corner, finger guard. Let's screw. I think that's where they're going to attach the Weber wedge. And at the top left corner of the top of the hopper, I think that's where they're going to attach it to. So just keep going here, and they're taking screws out there, and what are they going to put in there? I'm kind of curious what's going on here, Weber. So they're taking that out, and what is that? My gosh, folks, that looks like the Weber wedge. I tell you what, folks, they didn't do this because of me. They did this because of you. They did this because of you, the customer, that have been complaining about this. And my hat's off to Weber for doing this. It really is. Good job, Weber. You're listening to your customers. You're adapting and overcoming. Like I said, I've offered my help to you. You still haven't called me. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Take the cloth out. Make sure you can get that out of there. But this will still hold 20 pounds, which is it's still good. That's a full bag of pellets, and you won't have to worry about it anymore. So nice job, Weber. Folks, I don't even know what to say anymore. Thank you to Weber for doing this. And remember, I'm here to help. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, I appreciate you watching.